glue gel right on this. But if you want to be double sure, like not to have any issue, I usually put the base gels and cure it for about 15 seconds. Any base gels just depend on what manufacturers that they're gonna tell you cure how many seconds. So this is gonna be like a 15 second. Wait. And I am going to use all of Trifecta tools in there. Condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, precision glue. It's great. You will have a hard time getting your crystal stay on, and you really tired of not like, or you giving up, like literally like, oh, I'm so done with the crystal because they're cute, but then they keep popping up. I'm gonna share with today. So then I'm using that Trifecta condensed glue gel. I say condensed, it means really thick density, and it's a whole lot in this 15 G pot. My twin tip brush, I'm gonna using my twin tip brush. This guy's become my bestie because twin tip is have this on one side to using apply my condensed glue gel or gel polish in the pot, and the other ones will help me do a line or correcting a lot of different stuff that I need to do, which is I'm gonna show you in a little bit. Close the cap on. I'm wipe my brush up already, and I'm gonna close this so I don't want them to be clear. No wipe top coat, which is come in the Trifecta as well. And this is techniques. I'm gonna float it on the top. Stephanie from Facebook, can you just DM us? Can you please DM us so then we get right back to you after the live video, sweetie? That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, Miss Michelle from Facebook. You received yours, being great. Okay, some wipe on the sides. I will do it again, but I'm just doing it first, so then that way it won't have too much of the excess condensed glue gel or top coat. I just using a technique to floating the top coat onto the top of the condensed glue gel, but I don't pull them, it's just really gentle. So I'm gonna do somehow set one of, I'm gonna put the 2 centerpiece, which is my really cute one, is perfect heart and a cheeky heart. And the tip and trick for all beginners, how you place your crystal, the closer your crystal together, stick together, the longer the better it's gonna last. They're so cute. I am using ruby rose. This is, I don't know how your Ann, but my Ann is so beautiful and sparkle. I'm trying to place my crystal inside the frame, as you see, so then that's way they're not gonna just like hanging on the side or snacking on the clients. Like, we can seal it with precision glue, but we want to make sure that everything stay in the frame. Like the same if you painting, you want to stay all your pictures gonna stay in the frame instead of hanging off on the side. It's so cute. I'm gonna do it right here. It's just great and nice about condensed glue gel and top coat, because during the time of crystal placement, I can really adjusting them, like depend on the shape, and then sometimes the structure of the nails can like be a different as well. So can you see my ruby rose here? Yeah, my ruby rose tray right there. I'm so like in love with this. This is so simple, but it's not simple. Lily said it's so simple, but it's not simple, because it's simple on the nails, give you dramatic glitter, but then will bling her nails up I just want ring finger to really make it up for that. They're so cute. It's really feel like I feel the Valentine. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday. I love this little guys crystal picker. Like last versions of 2 years ago, we have a little halo, so it's the crystal always stuck in here. But now it's so nice that it had the other end is the dot, so you can use it for the any dot art and everything. So when here, if you see my edges right there, it's little, so I'm gonna using a little crystal, because if I put the big one, it's gonna hang off on that edges, then it's might coming off as the clients are hitting it stuff. So we want to stay in the frame of the nails. So closer, and this one I don't think, and Lily said, oh, I don't want any beads on it. It looks good because all the ruby rose is really stand out. And I love about this jar that like they have so variety different, like I think from size SS3 all the way to SS16. So that's what I doing it right now. I love it. I don't know how's your end, but my end is really sparkle. So gorgeous. And on the edges, if you want to, you can fill in SS3, SS4. So then just like really small enough they go between the crystal, like a big one, but without looks bulky on the side. Thank you so much for the love. Don't forget to, if you just tuning in first time with Glitz accessory and such, thank you and welcome to our live tutorial. We're really enjoying to having you every night except Sunday. I got to be here to share with all of you different techniques, what is new in trends, how you take the pictures of the nail. It's gonna be fun. I wanna do some like how to take the pictures for the client's nails. And maybe in this week we're doing a one project that we're doing the okay, so if I'm happy with this, I make sure I get everything is stay nice and stay intact. Make sure the shape looks good, and I'll pop into the lamp